You are a therapist. You have a website. You are good at what you do. But when someone in your city searches for a therapist, you are not showing up. And a competitor who you know is not better than you somehow is. That feels frustrating and honestly unfair. But here is the thing. It's not about who is better. It's about who Google understands more clearly. And the good news is that's fixable. In this video, I'll show you 3 specific reasons therapists stay invisible on Google. And none of them require rebuilding your website. And by the end, I'll also give you a simple booking clarity audit you can use to diagnose exactly where your visibility is breaking down. Now, before we get into the reasons, I want to be clear about something. The problem is almost never your website design. It's something more specific, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. Let's start with reason 1. Google can't read your specialty. Most therapists write their website for humans, which makes sense. But Google is not a human. Google needs very specific signals to know when to show your business in a search results. Signals like, what is your specialty? Where are you located? Who do you help? But most therapist websites say things like, a safe space for healing and growth. That might feel right to a client, but to Google, it means almost nothing. Google has no idea if you are a therapist, a yoga teacher, or a life coach. Compare that to a site that says, anxiety therapist in Dublin, helping adults manage stress and burnout. Now Google knows exactly what you do, where you are, and who you serve. Here's your quick fix for this one. Go to your homepage right now. Look at your headline. Does it contain your specialty, your city, and who you help? If not, that's the first thing to change. But even if you fix that, there's a second place Google looks that most therapists completely ignore. Reason 2. Google is looking beyond your website. Most therapists believe that having a website is enough to show up on Google. It's not. Google doesn't just read your website. It cross-references your business across the entire web. For therapists specifically, Google looks at directories like Psychology Today, Bark, Treatwell, and local health listing sites. And here where it gets important. If your name, address, phone number don't match exactly across all those places, Google loses confidence in your business. Even small differences matter. Street on one site, SD on another. That kind of inconsistency tells Google you might not be a real, active, reliable business. This is called NAP consistency. Name, address, phone. Most therapists have never heard of it. Here's your quick fix. Google your own business name right now. Look at every listing that appears. Check that your name, address, phone number are identical on every single one. Now, here's the one that surprises most therapists, because it's something they are doing on purpose. Reason 3. Your privacy instinct is hurting your visibility. This one is different, because this isn't a mistake. It's actually something many therapists do intentionally. Many therapists keep their online presence deliberately vague. No location, no specific niche, no photo in some cases. And the reason makes sense. Client confidentiality, professional boundaries, privacy. But here's what's happening on Google's side. Google reads vagueness as uncertainty. And when Google is uncertain about you, it ranks you lower. So your privacy instinct, which is completely valid, is unintentionally making you invisible. Here's the important reframe. Being specific about you is not the same as exposing your clients. You can say, I am a CBT therapist in Dublin working with adults experiencing anxiety without ever mentioning a single person you work with. Here's your quick fix. Add one specific sentence to your About page. Your modality, your city, who you help. That one sentence alone gives Google a clear signal it can act on. So now you have 3 things to check: your homepage clarity, your directory consistency, your About page specificity. But maybe you are wondering which one of these is actually your biggest problem right now. If you are not sure whether your problem is visibility, trust, or something in your booking flow, I created something called the Booking Clarity Audit. It's a simple 10-minute self-check that helps you evaluate 3 things: visibility, trust, and booking clarity. Most therapists assume they have a marketing problem, but often the real issue is simply clarity. And clarity is fixable. You can download the audit for free, the link in the description. It takes only 10 minutes. Go through it honestly, and your results will show you exactly what to fix first. Most therapists try to fix everything at once when bookings feel slow. A new website, more posts, more tools. But visibility almost always breaks at one specific point. Find that point, fix that. The rest becomes much easier. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.